Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? How old are you? How old are you?
We sat down face to face. We sat down face to face. You can go to the station by bus. You can go to the station by bus.
Winter in New York can be very cold. Winter in New York can be very cold.
I made a mistake. I made a mistake. We live in a big city. We live in a big city. I hung the photo on the wall. I hung the photo on the wall. It takes 5 minutes to get to the station. It takes 5 minutes to get to the station. Come again tomorrow. Come again tomorrow.
She plays the guitar. She plays the guitar. He doesn't smoke. He doesn't smoke. The weather is usually hot in July. The weather is usually hot in July. I don't like this jacket. I don't like this jacket. You look sick. You look sick. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. This isn't my car. This isn't my car. Have you finished reading the book? Have you finished reading the book?
Who will look after your dog? Who will look after your dog?
He broke the world record. He broke the world record. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. He wants to see us again. He wants to see us again. This is my book. This is my book. Wash your face. Wash your face. I wonder if she will marry him. I wonder if she will marry him. Ask him where he parked his car. Ask him where he parked his car. My father smokes. My father smokes. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Japan. I am from Japan. He plays football every day. He plays football every day. Can you solve this problem? Can you solve this problem?
He runs faster than me. He runs faster than me.
I'm just beginning. I'm just beginning.
He cheated on the biology exam. He cheated on the biology exam.
Were you busy yesterday? Were you busy yesterday? Yes, I was busy. Yes, I was busy. I have an earache. I have an earache.
I go to the gym twice a week. I go to the gym twice a week. He promised to come, but he didn't come. He promised to come, but he didn't come.
He forgot to lock the door. He forgot to lock the door. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. He doesn't seem to be an American. He doesn't seem to be an American.
I would like you to come with me. I would like you to come with me.
I will be back at 6:30. I will be back at 6:30. I love this picture. I love this picture. I saw him just now. I saw him just now. A man robbed the store. A man robbed the store.
What are your strong points? What are your strong points?
There is a scissor on the desk. There is a scissor on the desk. Did you have a good time yesterday? Did you have a good time yesterday? Who is that woman? Who is that woman? She is my sister. She is my sister. Who is this man? Who is this man? He is my brother. He is my brother.
I know none of them. I know none of them. You had better not go. You had better not go.
May I borrow your book? May I borrow your book? He opens the door. He opens the door.
My hobby is playing guitar. My hobby is playing guitar. We usually have lunch at noon. We usually have lunch at noon.
Does someone here speak English? Does someone here speak English?
This is my daughter. This is my daughter. I got married 5 years ago. I got married 5 years ago. I slept for 9 hours. I slept for 9 hours.
Will you stay at home? Will you stay at home? The way from here to school. The way from here to school. They opened the window. They opened the window. My sister takes physics lessons. My sister takes physics lessons. She doesn't understand me either. She doesn't understand me either.
Why don't you come to the cinema with me? Why don't you come to the cinema with me? His answer is different from mine. His answer is different from mine. I will come with you. I will come with you. There is an orange on the table. There is an orange on the table. I have to go now. I have to go now.
Where have you been this week? Where have you been this week?
Take anything you want. Take anything you want.
Where's the entrance to the store? Where's the entrance to the store?
That is what we want to know. That is what we want to know.
Whose shoes are these? Whose shoes are these?
He asked her if she knew him. He asked her if she knew him. He likes oranges. He likes oranges. Take this money. Take this money. He is eating. He is eating. How long is he going to stay in Japan? How long is he going to stay in Japan?
She left me a note. She left me a note. Who painted this picture? Who painted this picture?
I'm very busy. I'm very busy. I lost my watch. I lost my watch.
This newspaper is free. This newspaper is free. I usually take a bath before going to bed. I usually take a bath before going to bed. My brother sends you his regards. My brother sends you his regards. They were listening to the news. They were listening to the news. I often see him. I often see him. He was just behind me. He was just behind me.
He is my friend. He is my friend. What happened? What happened?
I peel an apple. I peel an apple.
I have 5 pencils. I have 5 pencils.
This is a little gift for you. This is a little gift for you.
I went to Boston by train. I went to Boston by train.